Hey, it's Aaron. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Superpayme, and maybe you're wondering, is it legit? Can you really make money from this website? Let's check it all out. Let's see what it's about, okay? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Superpayme to find out whether this is a good way for you to spend your time to make money and how much money can you really make from this website and what do you have to do, all right? Now, Superpayme has been around for a very long time. It is a very popular GPT website. It is generally available globally. It might not be available in your country, so you just need to check out when you join for free here. But generally speaking, it is available in a lot of countries, which is nice to see, okay? Now, the main thing that Superpayme is, it's a GPT website, right? So what you can do with a GPT website, just so that you know, is that there are different things that you can do, like you can complete surveys. That's very, very popular, right? The surveys pay anywhere from 10 cents to about $1 per survey. It can take anywhere from a couple of minutes all the way up to 15 minutes to finish a survey, which is pretty cool. They have downloadable offers, right? Offer walls, which are very normal. So things like downloading trial offers, you can download games, hit certain milestones, and they'll pay you out a little bit of money, right? They've got video games that you can just play straight up, which don't pay that much, right? And you can watch some videos as well, which also don't pay that much, right? So really, the focus here, I think, for you to make the most money with Superpayme is to do the surveys every day and to download some of the offers, all right? Just understand that with the offers, you're gonna have to jump through certain, hoops and hit milestones before they pay you out some money, and some of them can pay quite well, but it's going to take a little bit of time for you to hit those milestones. For example, with some of the games, when you play them, right, you have to hit like level 50, level 100, for example, to make a very decent point milestone, which you can then convert into money, right? Now, so if you do a combination of the two, surveys and offers, I think that's the best way for you to make money here inside of Superpayme, all right? So how much can you really make, and how do you withdraw your money? So they pay out mainly through PayPal. The nice thing that I like about them is that they only have a $1 threshold. That means you don't have to make that much. You can do that in a day, which is really cool. So you could potentially fill out one survey that pays over $1, and then you can withdraw. Now, obviously, some surveys will pay a little bit less, and the thing that Superpayme does very well is they work with a lot of different survey providers like CPX Research, Your Survey, Dynata, Lucid, right? And what happens is you have to qualify for the surveys, all right? So it's very likely that you will qualify for roughly between 2 to 3 out of every 5 surveys. So you will get rejected from some. You just have to realize that. It's very normal with survey filling. So it does take a little bit of time, but you can make a little bit of money here, and it really depends on the country that you're based in, okay? So this is the big question. How much can you make from Superpayme? Now, I've reviewed a lot of different GPT websites. This is definitely one of the better ones, okay? Because it's free, it's global. They work with a lot of the big providers, and they do pay out a decent amount, but there is a big caveat. It really depends on where you live in the world. In some countries, if you spend a few hours or maybe even 5 hours a day on this website, you will only make between $1 and $2 a day because of the lack of offers and the lack of surveys in your particular region. But for some people, if you're lucky and you live in a part of the world where they have a lot of focus, like let's just say you're based in the US or certain parts of Europe, for example, you may get a lot more surveys and a lot more offers. And in that case, if you spend a couple of hours or even more than that, 3, 4, 5 hours a day on it, you can potentially get as high as maybe $10, $15 a day. Okay, now that is more rare, and you do have to put in a lot of time, but it is possible. All right, so Superpayme is legit as well. There are a lot of people that have been withdrawing money from this website, and you can definitely make money here. But remember, it just depends on your luck and where you are, and you do have to put in the time and the hours. Okay, so again, anywhere from $1 to $2 all the way up to maybe $10 to $15, depending on where you live in the world, and if you're lucky and if you're willing to put in the time. All right, so it's not life-changing, but it's not bad. I mean, you can get up to, we're talking about if you're making $10 a day, that's about $300, maybe $400 a month. Again, it's not thousands of dollars, so it's not going to replace your full-time income, but it's not bad for a small little free side hustle, and it doesn't require any high skills. You don't need to know marketing or promoting or nothing like that. No technical knowledge. This is just straight up just filling out, general knowledge survey questions, and downloading offers, playing some games and things like that. Anybody can do this. All right, so if you want to come to Superpayme and check it out, superpay.me, and you can check out this pretty cool GPT website. Now, if you're here watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to make bigger income, right? On this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, right? Some are good, some are so-so, some are not great. I like strategies that pay you a lot more income. So this is cool to get started, right? But really, we're after thousands of dollars and money where you can use to replace your full-time career forever. And I was able to do that in 2019 with one particular strategy. I've tested so many. Invested so much money testing all these different strategies, right? So if you would like to see that method that completely changed my life, maybe it'll work for you too. I've got a free masterclass. You can check it out. It's the link all the way at the bottom. I hope you enjoy it. All right. Hope you enjoyed this review of Superpayme. I wish you all the best, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.